Welcome to this complete, step-by-step guide on how to create your ebook, turn it into a clean PDF, publish it on Gumroad, and start selling it online. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to go from idea to finished product, even if you've never written anything before. Let's begin. The first step is choosing a small, focused niche and a single, painful problem your ebook will solve. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Give me 10 micro-niches for beginners and give me the #1 problem each audience struggles with. Also, suggest an ebook idea for each niche. Pick the niche that feels the most exciting or familiar to you. Now, ask ChatGPT. Create a full table of contents for this ebook. Make it beginner-friendly, practical, and structured. This will give you a full outline you can follow. Now it's time to write the actual chapters. In ChatGPT, use this prompt. Based on the outline, write Chapter 1 with 800 to 1,200 words. Make it simple to understand. Use steps, examples, and a quick start summary at the end. Let ChatGPT generate the full chapter. Repeat this for every chapter in your outline. Once all the chapters are done, ask ChatGPT. Write a short introduction, a powerful conclusion, and a checklist for the entire ebook. Just like that, your ebook text is complete. Now, let's format the ebook into a professional PDF. Copy each chapter into Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Use heading styles for your titles and subtitles. This will let you create an automatic table of contents. Set the margins to around 2 to 2.5 centimeters. Use clean fonts like Inter, Arial, or Georgia at size 11 or 12. Make sure to insert page breaks between chapters. When it looks clean and readable, go to File and choose Download as PDF. You now have a polished, ready-to-sell ebook. Next, you need a cover. Go to Canva and choose a book cover template. Add your title, subtitle, and your name. Choose simple colors and a clean layout. Then, export the cover as a high-quality PNG image. This will be the first thing your customers see, so make it visually clear and easy to read. Time to publish. Go to gumroad.com and create a new product. Choose Digital Product. Upload your PDF file and your PNG cover. Add a title, a clear description, and your price. A good starting price is anywhere from $9 to $19. Add 3 to 5 bullet points describing exactly what the ebook teaches. Then write a short paragraph about who the ebook is for and why it solves their problem. When everything looks good, just click Publish. Here is a simple formula for a strong product description that converts. Start with a hook, like, learn how to achieve your goal in 7 days without the usual frustration. Then, list 3 specific outcomes they will get from reading it. Add a bullet list showing what's inside the ebook. Add 1 sentence about you and why you created it. Finish with a clear call to action like, download now for instant access. Now let's add your link to TikTok and Instagram. Copy your Gumroad link. On TikTok, go to Edit Profile and paste the link in the website section. On Instagram, go to Edit Profile and add the link under Links. Write a short bio like, learn how to build digital income, get the ebook below. Your link is now visible to everyone who visits your profile. To promote your ebook, create a simple 3-part video. Part 1 is the hook. Say something attention-grabbing like, I created an ebook that shows you step-by-step how to go from idea to online income. In Part 2 is the proof. Show a screenshot of your Gumroad page and a few pages from the ebook itself. Part 3 is the call to action. Say, get the ebook using the link in my bio, instant download. Post this video on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and anywhere your audience hangs out. Finally, you need to track your analytics and improve. Open your Gumroad analytics. Look at how many people viewed your product and how many bought it. If many people view but few buy, try improving your cover or your description. If your clicks are low, you might need to improve your bio or make a stronger video hook. Remember to change only one thing at a time so you know what actually works. And that's how you create, format, publish, and promote your ebook from start to finish. If you want more templates, scripts, or examples, check the links below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Lamborghini saying pretty bitches prettier, yes, she's a model. I got money in my pocket, money coming by the Trello, Gave you everything you wanted. Then you started acting childish, I get money